Are we all going today? Yeah!
Yo, is this thing on? Just kidding. What up, guys? Your boy KT Boy. Oh, welcome back to another video. Got too much lotion on my mind. Okay. Anyway, welcome back to another video. Today we're trying Sour Patch Sweet Sour Gum. Sweet then sour, red berry. I mean, I actually tried Sour Patch Gum before, but this is red berry. It's some, I don't know what kind of red berry, raspberry, strawberry. You try looking at the ingredients. I don't see nothing about, they just say red berry. So, and we're trying watermelon too. It's actually my brother packed, but he gave me a piece of watermelon gum, so we're trying that too. So, cool. That tastes just like a watermelon. By this video being so short, we're gonna have two videos in one, a 2-video day marathon. Where actually the second video you're gonna see is me riding a dirt bike. So that video is old, it's not new. I actually did that back in May before I had this YouTube channel. So watermelon tastes just like watermelon. And I have not tried this one yet, even though I got it yesterday. Let's try it. Smells so good. Smell it, smell it. Oh, smell it, smell it. Oh, yeah. Make sure I'm getting the right one. Okay. It's supposed to be sweet then sour. Check out my new Minecraft shirt. Headed off to the movies. Just got this new Minecraft shirt. It did get sour then sweet. Sour then sweet. Red berry mystery. I guess it's what red berry do you think it is? Strawberry, raspberry. It tastes like a sour cherry. I think it's like a sour cherry. Yeah, I think it's like a sour cherry. Yeah, but that was Sour Patch Gum today. So get it at your local retail store, shopping centers, Snooks. I only tried watermelon. I never tried any other new flavors, and you might have already tasted this flavor, but I never tasted red berry. So, I hope you enjoyed the second video you were about to see, and that's me riding the dirt bike. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Epic dirt bike ride. It's me with an epic dirt bike ride. Well, I gotta show y'all the dirt bike. Here we go. Here we go. Hi. Oh my god. So epic and awesome. Oh, it's gonna ride slow. Let me go up the hill again.